Hey, if your bank account is at zero right now, or even in the red, and you're done with generic save on coffee tips, this is the video for you. We're talking real, no BS steps to build wealth starting from nothing in 2026. No hype, no get rich quick schemes, just a proven mechanical blueprint that regular people actually use. Stick around because we're going phase by phase. Starting with literally zero isn't a disadvantage, it's raw potential. No safety net means you move faster and get creative. Most self-made millionaires began exactly where you are. This isn't motivation fluff, it's a system. 6 clear phases from survival to true freedom. It takes discipline and time, usually 5 to 15 years, but consistency wins. Let's dive in. Phase 1, get cash flowing fast. Your enemy is stagnation, not the economy. Monetize what you have right now, your time and effort. Download apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, TaskRabbit. Deliver food, assemble furniture, do yard work, move boxes, whatever pays quick, often same day or weekly. If you're near a laptop or even just a phone, jump on Upwork or Fiverr. Start with simple gigs, data entry, virtual assistants, or even basic AI prompting tasks. People pay for that now. Aim for $500 to $2,000 a month to start. At the same time, lock down your spending. Use zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets assigned. Cut to absolute needs only. Build a small $500 to $1,000 emergency buffer before anything else. Quick reality check. If high-interest debt is crushing you, like credit cards, pay the minimums while hustling. Interest compounds against you faster than savings can help early on. Once you have some breathing room, stop trading time for pennies. You need a high-value skill that pays $50, $100, or more per hour. In 2026, go for these in-demand areas: Python coding, AI automation, and prompt engineering, data analysis basics, cybersecurity fundamentals, or creative skills like video editing, high-converting copywriting, SEO, and digital marketing. Sales roles like high-ticket closing are still gold. Learn for free or dirt cheap. YouTube tutorials, free code camp, official docs, Google career certificates, AWS free tier. Get those quick certifications that open doors. Practice daily. Build real projects. Code? Put it on GitHub. Marketing? Run free campaigns for local spots and track results. Proof of work beats any resume. Now turn skills into bigger income. Stable job, freelance scaling, whatever fits. Network smart. LinkedIn, comments, industry discords, virtual events. Ask thoughtful questions, build real connections. Don't just beg for jobs. When money starts coming in higher, negotiate every offer, and the golden rule: live like you still earn your old salary. Bank raises, bonuses, everything extra. That gap between income and expenses, that's your wealth building fuel. Lifestyle creep is the silent. Avoid it. Only invest when you have consistent surplus. One co-op with $3,000 plus per month extra. Don't gamble tiny amounts when broke. Poor moves. Low-fee, broad index funds like VTI or BOO through Vanguard or Fidelity. Long-term bet on the economy. Later, real estate, house hack with an FHA loan or start with REITs. And always reinvest in yourself. Books, courses, tools that multiply your earning power. Compound interest is the real magic. Invest $500 a month starting young at a realistic 7 to 8% return. By retirement, it can grow to over $1 million. Time plus consistency equals exponential growth. Wealth means time freedom, not just money. If you're always working for dollars, you're not there. Automate the boring. Use AI scripts, no-code tools like Zapier. Build passive streams, digital products, courses, ebooks, YouTube channels like this, affiliate sites, apps, dividend stocks, rentals. Turn your skill into one-to-many income. Build once, earn while you sleep. Getting money is fun. Keeping and growing it is harder. Biggest traps. Lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade your life with every release. Build a 6 to 12 month emergency fund. Diversify. Get proper insurance. Skip dumb risks. Long term. Give back. Mentor others. It creates opportunities and keeps you grounded. If you're at zero right now, today is day one. Pick one action. Sign up for a gig app, cut one unnecessary expense, watch one free skill tutorial, track your progress monthly. Most people quit because the early phase feels slow. Winners stack small daily wins into unstoppable momentum. Millions have gone from nothing to wealth. You can too. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more realistic wealth guides, and drop in the comments what's your first phase one move this week. See you in the next one. Keep building.